Are you tired of collecting all table tennis balls after a long training session? We have the solution. Ash, the autonomous table tennis ball fetcher.
We've designed Ash to autonomously move around the training courts, particularly the ones that follow the ITTF standards. Ash integrates a collection of cameras and sensors in a rather small and lightweight chassis, allowing it to see and sense the environment around it.
The robot uses computer vision algorithms together with its sensor set to precisely locate and identify table tennis balls and obstacles within its environment, enabling Ash to navigate its surroundings swiftly and efficiently. Upon approaching the target, Ash activates a specialized vacuum suction mechanism, transferring the ball to a hermetically sealed container located in its back. The robot is also equipped with a pair of infrared sensors located inside the collection tube, allowing it to detect and count each ball collected.
All of this sensor data is not only used by Ash during operation, but also sent to our hand-tailored mobile application, allowing the user to track every step, or rather, every wheel turn of the robot.
After connecting to the robot via Bluetooth, the mobile application allows the user to schedule a catch, or to start the one immediately. While navigating the environment, the robot constantly feeds the app with information, displaying where are the balls and obstacles it identified.
Ash also comes with its own docking base that houses the robot's charger. To recharge Ash, the user only needs to plug in the connector, and our intelligent recharge system will take care of the rest. After fetching all balls it could find, Ash will return to its base so that you always know where to find it.
Ash, the autonomous table tennis ball fetcher, soon available at your favorite retailer.